Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to configure nodemon in our project. Normally that nodemon is used to listen the local change, and if you save that file it will re-render the terminal. Okay, yeah, let's start. So first copy this, go to nodemon this site and paste that and click on enter. Make sure to connect internet, and whenever it is adding it will create here. See, this node module is created and also package.block is also created. Okay, and the nodemon is added here under the dependencies. Okay, so right now we installed our nodemon, so I'm going to configure this. Instead of this node I just replace with this nodemon and I'll just start as usual. Okay, npm start. See, right now nodemon is listening our local this file change. Okay, see, if I add this console test, if I save, see, this test message is printed whichever we added here. This is how you can install a npm package, and also you can configure the nodemon in our project. It is a best npm package to listen a local change. Okay, we don't want to stop and start the project. Yep, bye bye.